What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Kevster coming at you with another video. So as you can see, we have my 2019 Civic SI right here. I know it's been quite some time, but today we're going to be installing a grill from American Modified. So this grill here is actually inspired by the Jay's Racing one. So they did send it out to me for a review and a little install video just to show you guys how it's done. So with that being said, let's take off the bumper, put it on, and show you guys how it looks. All right, so first things first, you're gonna get the grill itself here and two different styles of mesh that we can choose which one you want to put on, along with the side eyebrow pieces and some hardware right there. So with that being said, let's get to the install and show you how it's done. So before we get started, what you're gonna need is a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead, and a pry tool. I mean, you'll get by with a flathead screwdriver, but this is just in case you don't want to damage anything. All right, so with your pry tool or your flathead, you're gonna undo all these clips right over here. Work along this side from the eyebrows to the center part right here. So just like so, you're gonna get your flathead, pry it up, take it out like that. You're gonna do the same for all of these over here, and you're gonna have these on the bottom as well. And then with your Phillips, you're gonna go on the side, and you're gonna loosen these two screws over here, pop the bumper off, and then we can start working on the grill. All right, so for these clips over here, I like to use a pry tool only because with the flathead, it is a little tricky to get under these. So I use a pry tool like this. All you're gonna do is just get under it like so, that, and pop it off. All right guys, so now that we have all the clips off of the weather strip, all you gotta do now is just grab it, take it off, like so, and same with the cooling plate. Grab it, take it off, and you're good. All right, so the next step is that you're gonna release the tabs that are holding down this eyebrow, right over here and right over here. So you can get a little flathead, insert it, and just undo it, release it, like so. So now the eyebrows are released. All right guys, as you can see now we have the bumper off. So to get off these eyebrows, you're gonna wanna release these tabs over here. That'll take care of those. And as far as the grill goes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Phillips screws to remove, and that'll take care of the grill. All right, so now we do have the grill off. It did take us some time only because we were stuck on why it was still in place even after we took off all the screws. The license plate itself is holding the grill in. So take off your license plate and then you'll be good to go. All right, so now we put on the mesh part. As you can see here, we do have it on, and flip it around real quick. So all you have to do is just line up the mesh with the holes, and then with the screws, just puncture it and just screw it in. Really easy. All right guys, so one thing, so technically since this is an open grill, you're gonna have to cut off that centerpiece. Unless you're okay with it showing, you can leave it there, but I'm gonna choose to Dremel it off so it can be a lot cleaner. All right, so here we have the grill all mocked up, and that's exactly what I'm talking about. That centerpiece is gonna show through the mesh. So you can leave it on, it won't be in the way of anything, but I am gonna cut it off just so it can be a lot cleaner. All right guys, so the grill is now on the bumper. Last step is to put it on the car, see how it looks all together. All right, y'all, so it's down the next day. The grill is on the car, so here's how it looks in the daytime. And before you guys say anything, there is gonna be some mesh right over here. Don't know if you can pick up a camera. It's really, really thin, but yeah, there is a mesh piece that goes right there. So it's not completely open, but it is functional. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna end the video here on the American Modified grill for the 10th Gen Civics. And again, a huge shout out to American Modified for sending one my way to review, put on my car, and to let you guys know what I think about it. So in conclusion, I love what it does to the front end of my car. Not only does it make it look way more aggressive, but it does provide for additional cooling, which is a huge bonus on these 10 gens, as you may know. So if you guys do want one for yourselves, I will leave a link down below in the description so you can get one. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. My name is Kevster. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see y'all later.